you know, for every serious rider, the safety of the motorcycle comes first. The taxi driver just told me that these kilometers were without problems. So guys, this is Piatta Primării, the main square in Pitești. The guy inside, it's a car maquettes lover, so I'm gonna go inside. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is my second day in Pitesti. I just checked my motorcycle. Everything is fine, everything is okay. It was safe during the night, and you know, for every serious rider, the safety of the motorcycle comes first. Today I'm gonna visit the city center of Pitești. I'm gonna have fun, I believe. I'm gonna see some sights, and I would like to share them with you. I hope that it's gonna be interesting also for you. And you know what? I'm gonna use a taxi today. So let's do it a bit differently this time. And it has 632,000 kilometers, as you can see. This is a lot, guys. This is a lot. The taxi driver just told me that these kilometers were without problems. So, a very reliable car. This is Piatta Primării, the main square in Pitești. Really a wonderful place to take a walk.
liber rezervat și gratuit.
I have to say that it is an industrial town. At least the automotive industry is located here around. You probably all know about Dacia, but also Valeo. This is a quite huge company making different parts, spare parts for cars. It is also located here very close. So now I'm gonna look for some souvenirs, but I don't know if I'm gonna have luck. Let's see if I can find a Dacia here. Behind me it's a special clock repair shop, and the guy inside, it's a car maquettes lover. So I'm gonna go inside. Guys, in front of me it's the Pitesti students prison, and this is something that everyone should see when being in Pitesti. It is very important to know our history, and in the communist times life was really hard, and one could hardly believe what happened all here. So let's go inside. tomorrow it's another day. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to Brașov, so I will have around 140 kilometers from here. And please do me a favor and subscribe, and see you tomorrow in the next one. Thanks for watching. Very nice views. The cow on the road. I should be careful. Yeah, this is gonna be my accommodation for the next 4 nights.